In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products or a product to cart and start shopping on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and download Alibaba.com app and make sure it is installed on your smartphone. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and visit Alibaba.com website to shop directly from the website. Once that is done, you can now browse through all the items that are available or the ones that you want. You can also use the search function here to search for the specific items that you want. For my case, I want to place an order for this, and I'll show you how you can add this to cart and start shopping. So if you want to shop for this watch, it is pretty much simple. Just go ahead and click on it as I have done, and then to add it to cart, just scroll down here and you will see we have an option down here, add to cart. If I go ahead and click on add to cart, I'll first have to go ahead and click the color or make my choice. And for my case, I want black, so I'll go ahead and click on plus to add the number of items that I want. So I only want one. So if you want maybe two of them and of different colors, you can also go ahead and add according to your preferences. Maybe you also want a beige one or a pink one. You can also tap on it and you'll have two items added to your cart. From there, you can see the subtotal amount that you are supposed to pay for the two. If you're okay, proceed and tap on add to cart. Now you have to know that once you have added to cart, that's the only way now you'll be able to complete your order by making the payment. To proceed and make the payment on Alibaba.com, go ahead and just click on the cart. You can see this is the cart icon on top here, indicating the number of items that you have added. So if you want to add another item, you can also go ahead and just click on the item, and then you can also add to cart. And if you do so by clicking on add to cart, you also have first to select the color. So I'll go ahead and select on one black and add to cart. Now if I come back, you can see I'll have 3 items added to cart and it has been updated here. To proceed and make payment for the items that you have just added to cart, come here and then click on checkout, and this will go ahead and give you various payment platforms that you so wish. And once you have selected the one you're comfortable with, you can now proceed and make the payment before you can also confirm the shipping address for your item to be shipped. So that's how you can place item to cart and make a checkout on Alibaba.com. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.